PAS-compliant test method requires the following equipment: a minimum of 2 test barriers for each test performed and a fixture system to anchor the barrier to the ground, with line marking material to mark out the test area and the deflection area. A load cell with a display capable of taking a minimum of 100 samples per second. A high-speed camera with a minimum frame rate of 200 frames per second. And a standard camera for visual inspection evidence. Weights should be added or removed from the test apparatus depending on the mass required for the test. Certified surveying equipment must be used to measure post spacing, rail heights, alignment orientation and any critical items. A bumper striker with the correct dimensions to replicate a forklift truck, constructed of materials that will not deform or absorb energy during impact and withstand repeated impacts. A 2-fork striker is used to performance rate ground level protection. It too must be constructed of materials that do not deform and absorb energy during impact and can withstand repeated impacts. The forks must replicate the average forklift truck in an industrial environment. Each test barrier must be positioned in the test area and acclimatized to the temperature and humidity levels required for testing for at least 4 hours.